5 decades ago, on April the 25th, 1976, more than 23 million voters across Vietnam took part in the general election to choose deputies for the 6th National Assembly.
And the historic election marked the complete reunification of the country in terms of state institutions. To this day, the success of the 1976 general election stands as a vivid testament to national unity.
April 30th, 1975 marks Vietnam's reunification, but in reality, two state structures and two governments still existed: the Provisional Revolutionary Government of the Republic of South Vietnam and the Democratic Republic of Vietnam. Therefore, the party identified the early organization of a nationwide general election to elect a unified National Assembly as an urgent priority.
Memories of the past remain vivid to me. After national reunification, students were able to return to school and vote in the general election. I remember seeing many prominent figures taking part in the election.
Having served in the National Assembly for more than 30 years, for Hoài Thu, the 6th National Assembly was a particularly special term. As one of the youngest deputies at the time, she quickly developed a deep sense of responsibility as a representative of the people.
During my first meeting with voters, I was reunited with many people who had sheltered and supported me during the resistance war. That's why I must repay that gratitude through meaningful work that benefits the people.
At its first session, the 6th National Assembly adopted a resolution renaming the Democratic Republic of Vietnam as the Socialist Republic of Vietnam. Saigon Gia Định was officially renamed Ho Chi Minh City.
The first session also have established Vietnam's international standing. For example, in September 1977, Vietnam became a member of the United Nations.
Each National Assembly term has been closely tied to a distinct historical period of the country. The 6th National Assembly marked a milestone in Vietnam's political system and opened a new era of building a peaceful, reunified, independent, democratic, and prosperous nation.